Our folks from all over Siouxland waiting in standby to prepare should help be needed with the aftermath, and that includes some folks from Sioux City. There are nearly 120 volunteers across the area looking to give help if it is needed. Volunteers in the area will more than likely be called upon after landfall for that storm to provide assistance after.
We have volunteers who will be ready to leave when they are requested. So they are getting their personal things in order so that they'll be ready to travel pretty quickly. Oftentimes when they get that call, they are on a plane in less than 24 hours.
The local agency's disaster aid vehicle from Sioux City likely headed that way. Its primary use is for serving hot meals. If you're looking to help yourself, you can donate to the American Red Cross website. That's redcross.org.